Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So I've had a lot of requests about this video, so I thought I would do one. This video is going to be all about how I actually receive my influencer Voxboxes. I've had a lot of questions about what I'm doing because I haven't really been on there for very long. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos myself before I started influencer, and it seems like people were having a hard time getting Voxboxes. I'm gonna explain and tell you all of what I did personally to receive my Voxboxes from influencer. So stay tuned. So let's hop into the video. So for those of you who don't know, influencer is a site where they rely on the beauty community. You know, there's all types of communities. It's like a reviewing site. You can review household items, you can review pet supplies, you can review all kinds of things. So you just sign up for the app. It's influenster, not influencer. So I signed up for the app. I filled out, the questionnaires that they had, and I didn't really understand it at first. But what I did is, my number one tip that I would say when I started, and I urge everyone to do this if you want a Voxbox. I don't know if it helps or not, but it's what I did. So all of these things are what I have done to receive my Voxboxes. So the first thing I would say is log in to the app every day, multiple times a day if you can. So when I first downloaded the app, I went through my makeup kit and all of my tools and accessories and supplies, and I just started reviewing the crap out of everything that I had. I even did a few other things, such as like dog food, some household things, and that was just what I did first. Is I reviewed everything that I had. I just kept putting out reviews, and I was very consistent. Another thing that I keep doing is I try to take pictures and videos as much as I can of the products that I'm reviewing, and I tag everything. Also, another thing that I do is I follow people. So if somebody follows me, I follow them back. In the app, you can also post questions. You want to start conversation, and you want to answer as many questions as you possibly can, because you want to make an impact on influencer. That's the whole entire thing. So the more that you do for influencer, the more products they're going to send you. So my very first Voxbox I got, it was a box of like 5 items. They were full-size items. They were products that were new and coming out, and we were supposed to be the first people to review the boxes. When there's a campaign, when they send you a box, is you need to fill out all of the badge items. There's little badges, you click on it, and it goes into detail about what you're supposed to do, like post on Instagram, post to Twitter, record a video, go to, this product site and review the product on their site, stuff like that. So you want to complete everything, not as much as you can. You want to complete everything in the campaign. That way they are more likely to send you another box. Also, they will send you an email. It's like a pre-survey. So they're like predetermining if you're going to be a good fit for their next campaign. So they want to send you product. They want you to review things. So the more that you can do for them, the better. They also do other little things, like if there's like a smaller campaign, they'll say like, oh, if you go to, say, Ulta, for example, and you purchase this product, sometimes they will give you cash back if you start the campaign. Because the last one that I did, it was for Garnier Skin Active. What I had to do was I had to go to Ulta and I had to purchase a certain amount of items that were coming out or that were on sale, and I took a picture of my receipt, I uploaded it to the app, and then I opened the campaign, and inside the campaign it was saying like review on the Garnier site. So I did that, and then it said, you know, upload and post a picture to Instagram. So I did that too. And you want to get creative, you know, you want to take pictures of your products, like, you know, different, not just holding it, although I do have a lot of those. They really just want you to engage. That is the whole thing. You also want to make sure that they know all of your followers and how many you have. So in the app, I think it's under the settings, but you can link your Facebook, you can link your Instagram, your Twitter account. I tried to link my YouTube, but for some reason the app was saying that they can't do that yet. I don't know if it's just my phone or if it is on their end, and then that's what your impact score is. So under your profile on Influenster, you can see your impact score and how high it is. It's pretty much all of your followers on all of your platforms. Let's recap. So be consistent, meaning log on to the app every day. So again, when I first started the app, I think I had a 26-day streak, and it tells you when you log on, it says, you know, 1-day streak or, you know, a 3-day streak. So my very first time in the app, I just wanted to make sure that I was consistent. I didn't know what I was doing, but I feel like that really helped me. I had a 26-day streak. So I would log in every single day, sometimes multiple times a day, you know, looking at the community, looking at people's questions, posting my own questions, going on and liking and following people back when they follow you. And then they also send you emails, you know, notifications letting you know like, oh, so-and-so posted a question or so-and-so answered your question, stuff like that. But anyway, so be consistent logging in, be consistent reviewing, maybe try to review at least 10 items a day if you can. And then again, answer 10 questions a day or ask 10 questions a day. And then you'll see that you'll start unlocking more badges. So there are certain badges that you get for different things. So there's like, I think it was called like a social badge or like a social butterfly badge or something like that. But there's like different levels, like level 1, you've unlocked, you know, this badge. So the more badges that you can unlock, the better. Because like I said, Influenster wants people to review products. That's the whole entire thing. So if you can show them that you are reviewing product, that you're being consistent, you're logging in every single day, you're being involved in the community, asking, you know, people questions, answering people's questions. They also have different topics, like under the community section, there's like hashtags. I think they're doing one right now called Get Clean. Don't quote me on that, or like the Big Clean or something like that. But it's, you know, for the lockdown, since we're this whole coronavirus thing going on and everyone's inside, they want you to hashtag certain things, you know, that you're doing around the house. So the more you can get involved in those kind of things too, the better. And then, you know, they'll send you emails about, oh, we want you to, you know, review this product. This is what we're thinking of sending you. So then they'll send you an email. You'll fill out questions like your skin type, your hair type, just depending on what kind of products they're going to send. Then from there, they'll let you know like, oh, like we think you're a great fit. Like, you know, your Voxbox is on the way. So then it takes a couple weeks. You can check in on the app. Sometimes my tracking doesn't really work, but usually within like a couple weeks, I received the Voxbox. It can be big, it can be small. This was the last one that I got. It's empty, but if you watch my previous video, you'll see what I received and what I reviewed. So like I said, my first box, it wasn't really anything beauty related, and that's kind of what I do. So it was, I think I got a big thing of lotion. I did get a moisturizer. I got 2 things of Tic Tacs that were new and coming out, and I forgot what the other thing was. And then my second box is I got a vegan collagen serum for my face. So that was skincare. And then the third thing that I recently got was Shiseido foundation that was coming out, and they wanted people to review it. So I guess, again, long story short is be consistent, log in every day, do as much as you can in the app. Keep checking your emails too. Make sure that you're checking your spam folders, because Influenster sends me emails quite a bit, like letting me know, oh, you've unlocked this badge, or so-and-so is following you, or check out so-and-so's question, stuff like that. So they are very on top of what you are doing. And the more that you review, they'll even send you emails like, you're on fire, and keep going, keep reviewing, and stuff like that. They're very encouraging, and it's a lot of fun. I really like Influenster. When I'm bored, I try to just log on and be like, what haven't I reviewed yet? But it is a lot of fun. That's personally how I think I received my Voxboxes. I heard you don't have to have a very high impact score. You don't have to have a lot of followers. It's pretty much open to everybody. They just want you to review. They want you to be consistent. They want you to be engaging, just like Instagram and other social medias. They want you to engage with your followers. You can branch out into different niches in Influencer because they have other badges that you can unlock, like household and pet supplies. They have an entertainment category. I think I was answering a lot of questions about TV and movies. That's another thing too, is in the app it'll say your snaps. Influencer will send you, they're kind of like mini questionnaires called snaps, and there's different categories: hair care, nail care, pet food, entertainment, like I was saying. And you click on those, and you need to fill out as many of those as you can, because they are trying to understand you as a person, your background, what you like, what your skin type is, because if they are going to send you product, they're going to want to know, like, oh, should we send her one for oily skin or dry skin, or does she have combination skin? What tone is her skin? What's her skin color? Like, especially if it's a makeup product, they want to know, like, what to send you. Hair care. It goes way beyond beauty and, stuff like that. There's food, there's coffee, there's all kinds of things that you can review. So if beauty isn't your thing, you can still find something within Influencer to review. I think my husband, he logged on for fun, and he was reviewing cereal because he loves cereal. So there's just really all kinds of things that you can do. So being consistent, taking videos, finishing the surveys and the campaigns and the snaps, logging on every day, engaging in the community, and making sure that your social media is linked to help your impact score. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. When my face pops up, you can easily subscribe. Check out my other videos on the sides, and check out, I have, a couple Voxbox videos, like I was saying before. Make sure to check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.